Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you step by step how to withdraw funds from your Trading 212 account so you can access your money safely and quickly. If this helps you, hit like so more traders can find it. First, open the Trading 212 app and tap on the account menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your account management options. From here, select Manage Funds, which is where you control deposits and withdrawals. Next, tap Withdraw Funds to start the process. At this stage, you'll need to confirm your password to ensure it's really you making the withdrawal. Once your password is confirmed, you'll be asked to select the account you want to withdraw from, like your Invest, ISA, or CFD account. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw carefully. Double-check the number to avoid mistakes. After that, select your preferred payment method. This could be a bank transfer, card refund, or any other supported withdrawal method depending on your region. Once you're happy with everything, confirm the withdrawal. The funds will then be processed according to the selected method, usually within a few business days depending on your bank. Important note, before you can withdraw, you must have 2FA set up. This adds an extra layer of security and protects your funds in case someone gains access to your account. If you haven't done this yet, make sure to set up 2FA first. You can find it under your account security settings. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to withdraw funds from Trading 212 safely, step by step, on both mobile and web. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want me to show more Trading 212 tutorials, tips, and tricks for managing your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.